Good day, everyone. I'm here with Mr. Ray Azura, an IT specialist for about 2 years now. Good day, Mr. Azura.
Good day, Mr. Alfonso.
Today, I'm gonna ask some questions about how you write your papers in your profession. So, for the first question, what is your experience in writing technical papers?
Experience in writing technical papers. I've written system documentations, troubleshooting guides, and research-based IT reports. And most of my experience is focused on making technical information clear and very usable for both technical and non-technical readers.
Mm.
That's it.
For the second question, what are your strengths in writing technical papers?
My strengths. Hmm, I'd say my strength is simplifying complex IT concepts without losing accuracy. And I'm also very detail oriented, so I make sure that my work is well structured and reliable.
Okay, sir.
That's
For the last question, for my last question, I have asked you what your strengths are. So for this question, what are your weaknesses, naman?
weaknesses. Well, I believe that my weakness is that sometimes I lean too much into technical jargon, and I've learned to catch myself and adjust my writing so that even non-IT colleagues can understand it better. That's
So,
my weakness.
okay, sir. So for the last question, what is the value of technical writing in your profession?
What is the value? Hmm. Let me see. Hmm. In my field, technical writing is extremely valuable because it serves as a bridge between technical work and practical application. Whether it's system documentation, uh, user manuals, or reports for decision makers, clear technical writing ensures that solutions are understood, implemented, and maintained properly. And it saves times, reduces errors, and helps different teams collaborate more effectively. And for an IT specialist, it's not just about solving problems. It's also about making sure those solutions are communicated in a way that others can actually benefit from.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
Thank you for your time, sir. That's all the questions I have to ask. And thank you again.
Okay. Thank you, sir.